will teach you how to make a flower cuff. You'll need pony beads, elastic fabric string, and a plastic needle is optional but helpful. This is a great cuff for beginners. The stitch we'll be using for this is a peyote stitch. Cut an elastic string around the length of one arm span and fold the string in half. Add one blue pony bead to each string end, then add one yellow bead through both strings. Add one more blue pony bead to each string end, then repeat this with your other colors. Add one pink bead to each string end, add one yellow bead through both strings, add one more pink pony bead to each string end, add one white bead to each string end, add one yellow bead through both strings, add one more white pony bead to each string end, then repeat this with your other colors. Repeat this process throughout until it fits around your wrist. Make sure your bracelet isn't twisted before doing the next part, or it will never stay flat. Use one end of the string to go through one of the first beads you strung, and do this to the other bead as well, and it should look something like this. String your needle and add one blue bead. Go through the next two poking out beads. In this case, it will be a blue and pink bead. Add one pink bead and go through the next two poking out beads. Repeat this process of adding one bead to fill in the top gaps until you've gone all the way around. It should now look like this. Repeat this process starting with the other string, adding a bead through the open spots. Your string ends should be going out of the two beads next to each other, and then tie the ends together a couple times. In the end, it looks like this, but you can make this any color that you want. Tag me if you make this, and let me know what tutorial you would like to see next.